This will be the coolest car ever!
Here's your ride, my champion.
Will.
Papa, no one can beat us in this car. Papa, they broke my car.
Don't cry, son. Just wait. Papa will show them.
Each melon brings us closer to victory.
These are the best melons in town. Snowy, now we will build something better than before. Congratulations! The newest giant shiny model is yours!
Papa, it's H-U-G-E. It's shinier than their Lamborghini. Ready to lose again? Ready to lose again? Go, Pop! Go!
Impossible! How?
Papa, their car is unbeatable.
Money can't buy true victory!
We turned our pain into power. Don't mock the poor. Hard work and patience create real success. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.